Okay, here we go. I'm going to show everybody how to make my macaroni surprise. You need one box of this and some other stuff. And video is going to like constantly change because I can only do like so little at a time. But anyway, when you're making a burger here, comes with my macaroni surprise. This. You need this here. Season both sides. Only once. There. And if you missed a spot, just mash it out with a spoon. Make sure you cover the areas. And if there's any seasons showing, I just actually keep doing this till I don't no longer see it, because it should be all merged in with the burger. I have to do this on both sides too. And you only need to season one side of the burger. Or actually both sides, but only once. That's all you need to do. So that's it for now. Be right back. Okay, here we go again. I'm only putting half of this in there since the burger's done. I had no choice but to cut it in 4 pieces and wait till it cools off before I make my burgers look like this. It's all in tiny pieces. I'm saving that for my pizza. But anyway, if you don't have enough grease, I have leftover grease right here. See it? Leftover grease. And if that's not enough, if you need a substitute for that, there's always this. Yeah, margarine or butter. And you put it in there. So I'm actually putting half of this in there. And here's a tip. To make sure this is all done, when you're ready to put that mixed in with your macaroni and cheese, this is green peppers and onions. Make sure you use a spoon here and kind of press down on the inside of the pan. Make sure, if it's easily, the spoon goes easily in here like going through butter, then it's ready to take out and put in your bowl that you're going to use to cook with and all that. But anyway, that's my next step. Making grilled onions and green peppers all fried up. So, and I'll show you what the next step is after this, so you can actually, oh yeah, the next step is, put all this in there too. But I have no choice but to actually use this thing to drain out the grease. I have to like put all the green peppers and green onions, or green peppers and onions, pour it all in there, even with the grease and all. Then I actually pour that through this thing. Pour that through this thing back in the frying pan so you can save the grease for later. So that's it for now. So, okay, here we go. See how I'm cooking this slowly? I'm on number 3 there. And now let's see this here. See, it went through that like soft butter. Not melted butter, but soft butter. It goes right through the green peppers easily. That means it's done. Yep, that's done. So that's how you cook grilled onions and green peppers and all that stuff. So I'll be back once I'm done with all this. Look at the hamburger meat. That's what I had to do with the hamburger meat after I'm done cooking it. Shred it to a bunch of pieces like that. So, okay, here we go. Got the green peppers and the grilled onions all mixed together in here, along with the hamburger meat. And this is what I'll be cooking next. Macaroni and cheese. Some people usually just prefer regular macaroni and cheese that looks like that, but I could do better. So, but anyway, what you put in there, dash of this. That's it. Just a dash of pepper here. A little bit of this, but not too much. Okay, that's enough. Don't need that no more. Definitely need the salt and that little pot over there. Boil the water for the macaroni and cheese. Definitely need this. Definitely need that. So just the juices, that is. Down. Seems like I can open this. Okay. That's about enough. It's like about 3 tablespoons of juice, maybe 2. Okay, I'm done with that. Still not done yet. I still got a lot to do. I definitely need this. Not too much milk though. Around the same amount of tablespoons, 3, maybe 4 with the milk. And that's about it. Two more items I gotta put in there, along with that cheese sauce that comes actually with the macaroni box. Okay, and this is next. Mild, so it won't be all spicy. So I already have the hot pepper juices in there. One more drop. There. That's about as much as all I need in there. And one more thing to put in there. Looks like I need more of that slop. Okay, be right back. Okay, here we go. About that much butter. Just leave it in there. We got to do something else here, but I'll just do it right now. And you all know what this is. I mix that all together with the macaroni and cheese. And I'm going to show you what it looks like once I'm done. The macaroni is next, so that's going to take some time to cook. I'll tell you how to cook it. Put it on full blast, high heat all the way, 10 minutes. Wait till the water boils, then you start stirring. I'll cook with this big thing. And you stir it non-stop, even in the center of the pot over here. That's what I'll be using. You can do it non-stop till the full 10 minutes are up. Good thing I got a timer here. So that's it for now. So, okay, one more thing I forgot to add. These little bacon chunks. I usually put this on my pizza, but I like to put some in here as well. It's about 3 times that much. I use the rest on my pizzas, my frozen pizzas. And that's it for now, so. Well, I'm done with the meal, and the reason why I had to get this on full blast while cooking a full 10 minutes is so I can actually keep the macaroni's color. If you actually cook it on low heat, let's just say the macaroni turns white, and I like full color because it gives it more flavor too. I just stir it non-stop until it's done. But anyway, it's done. And this is what it looks like. There's the tomato. There's the green peppers. And that's what, yeah, this has got to be onions right here. It's all mixed up and looks pretty good. The only bad news is, since the other stuff got cold while I'm cooking, I got no choice but to put it in the microwave to heat it all up. A good 1 or 2 minutes should do it. And if you still think it's a bit cold, All you gotta do is put it on 1 more minute, then it'll be perfect. But anyway, that's how you do my macaroni surprise. Damn, that looks good. Can't wait till it's all warm again. So I have some goodies because I haven't eaten in a full 24 hours. So that's it for now, and I hope you like the way this turns out for you. If you decide to cook this for yourself, step by step the way I did it, and all those extra good stuff in the refrigerator I added to it. So that's it for now, and see you next time if you like my cooking here when you do it yourself. So